Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you hear some weird noise in the background, that's Vincent. She has a cardboard box in her cage and she is chewing on that. She likes to make little houses and forts and stuff and go inside the box and hang out. So I just put boxes and she'll rip a hole in it and go in, like she makes doors and windows and things. I have a very special video today. I have a box, make sure I'm not showing any personal information, that was sent to me from fellow YouTuber and YouTube friend LeeLeeLV. Hi Lisa. I finally have it. We've been going back and forth because she shipped this like a week and a half ago and it was supposed to be here last Tuesday. Today's Monday. And it got delayed because of the weather and all the ice. There was this big freeze across the country in the south. So it got delayed and the shipping or the tracking information wasn't updating. It's been almost a week. It finally came today. So we were getting worried about it. Here it is. So there are two things inside and a letter. The letter I'm not gonna read because I know that it's personal. Of the two things, one, I know what it is, and it's very special, and it is something that I have been wanting, as you guys know, for a while now and have not been able to get my hands on, and she got one for me. Thank you so much. And then she said she also sent me another little surprise gift, so I'm very curious about that and excited, and I can't wait. So I'm gonna use my little tool here and cut into the tape on the box. Sorry you can't see this. This is a cool little blade. I got this in my stocking from the boyfriend and it is a ceramic blade. I know that's blurry, sorry, but you get the gist. All right, opening the box. Look at that box. We know what that is, don't we? Oh my gosh. All right. Pulling this up. That is a big box, my goodness. Oh my lord. That's a giant box there. It's much bigger than I was expecting. Here's my letter. I'm not going to read on camera. And one of the things I was excited about is it came with the holiday packaging, and I didn't have any of that because I didn't buy anything from the store over the holidays, so I'm excited about that. And it even has the little gift card, so I have the little gold holiday packaging now. Yay! Let's see if I can, yeah, looks like I can scoot this off without having to untie it, and then I can put it back on here. All right, so that is a big box, girl. All right. Ooh. I see the second gift. Oh, I don't have one of those, and I love them. I've watched them from afar. All right, I'm gonna open the Louis Vuitton one first. Oh, I'm excited about both of these. All right, can y'all guess what it is? Something that I've been wanting and haven't been able to get. Here we go, guys. Finally, the Louis Vuitton small vachetta luggage tag. Finally. It's gorgeous. I don't have my other luggage tags around here, or I would hold it up and compare. I love it. So just the plain small vachetta tag, that is all I wanted. I'm gonna get an A hot stamped, probably in gold. I'll take it to my store this week. And she included a clip from Mauto. Thank you so much for that too. I love it. And it even smells good. It smells like vachetta, like leather. All right, now I gotta get into this. Ooh. The box is so pretty. Let's see, which one did I get here? Oh, I wasn't expecting foam to be there. So there's a little card, letter A, and whatever that says. So if you need to read it, you can pause it and read it, although I'm not sure how focused that is. Why does it look so out of focus? It's weird. Is it me or is it the camera? I don't have my glasses on. All right. So we'll get into here. And, ooh, how pretty. Look at those colors. I'm gonna put the little charm in there. Look at that. It has the Eiffel Tower and the Lottery tag and these beautiful little colors. So nice, and little pink bow. So cute. I'm trying to get it out to make sure I don't break it in the process. Oh, it's got some weight to it too. I've thought about getting one of these, but we don't have a Lottery store in Houston, and I didn't make it to the Lottery store when I was in New York because there were a lot of things we didn't get to do, and that was one of them. And I've looked on Amazon. They seem to have some there, but I've heard in some of the reviews and some other places that the ones on Amazon, you can't rely on those to be real, that there are a lot of knockoffs on there. And I wanted to make sure I got a real one. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like a lavender and a fuchsia and like a rose ballerine. It's so nice. I love it. Thank you so much, Lisa. And I really look forward to reading your letter, and I'm going to write you back and send you a thank you card and all that. Thank you so much. I'm so excited about this and so happy that this finally came in the mail. USPS is not very reliable in my experience. Thank you so much. I'm going to sign off. I'll see you guys later. Everybody have a fabulous day, and make sure you go to LeeLeeLV on YouTube and check her out and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye.